Do you really want and dream of being a doctor? Do you really want to be the closest one can get to be a real-life superhero? If yes, then you must already be preparing for the NEET exam. For that, you are probably already working hard in vain to deal with your massive syllabus. You're also perhaps making schedules and timetables that never last for more than a couple days. You must also be taking extra help from coaching or tuitions that make your time management impossible, and you feel lost, running between school and coaching and tuitions and homework and assignments and tests after tests after tests, and yet don't seem to get a handle on your preparation of the overwhelming syllabus and the cutthroat competition with students all over India. If this sounds like you, then this video is for you. What you need to know is how the toppers do it, how do they manage these things, what are the secret tips, tricks and techniques that can help anyone to not just succeed, but do it easily and successfully, and not just medical entrance, but even during their medical studies. Brain Enhancement Augmentation Stimulation Training is organizing a webinar for you to learn exactly these things, and it is absolutely free for anyone who wants to be a superhero. If you are interested, click on Learn More.